Welcome back, everyone. In our previous video, we learned about the create table command. Today, we'll continue our journey into SQL DDL commands by exploring the powerful alter table and drop table commands. Let's get started. The alter table command allows us to modify an existing table, while the drop table command is used to delete an entire table from the database. Let's dive into the details. The alter table command is incredibly useful when we need to make changes to an existing table. With this command, we can add, modify, or drop columns. Let's take a closer look at its syntax. To use the alter table command, we start with the keyword alter table, followed by the name of the table we want to modify. Let's see an example of adding a column to an existing table. Suppose we have a table called Customers, with columns for ID, name, and email. Now let's say we want to add a new column called Phone to store the customer's phone number. By executing this code, we've successfully added the phone column to our customers table. What if we need to modify an existing column? The alter table command allows us to do that as well. Let's consider an example. Imagine we have a table called Products with a column named Price. However, we realize that the data type for the price should be changed to decimal, 10, 2, to store accurate decimal values. Here's how we can modify the column. After executing this code, the price column in the products table will be modified to the new data type. Lastly, the alter table command also allows us to drop or remove a column from an existing table. Let's take a look. Let's say we have a table called Orders with a column named Quantity. Due to a change in requirements, we no longer need to store the quantity. We can drop the column using the following code. Now, let's move on to the drop table command, which allows us to delete an entire table from the database. However, be cautious with this command as it permanently removes the table and all its data. Imagine we have a table called Inventory that we no longer need. To delete the table, we simply use the drop table command. And that wraps up our exploration of the alter table and drop table commands. You now have the tools to make modifications to your existing tables and remove unnecessary ones. Remember, always double-check your code before executing these commands, as they can have a significant impact on your database structure and data. I encourage you to practice these commands in your own database environments. In the next video, we'll cover the truncate table command, which allows you to remove all data from a table while keeping its structure intact. Stay tuned!